Welcome back to Techno. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can uninstall Valorant. In my case, I just uninstalled it, but it will show you how to do it. The first thing we should do is press Windows. And okay, I will give you the example with another application that I have on my computer. What we are going to do is right click, for example this, and we can see uninstall. Okay, and the application it's uninstalled. The second option, if you don't automatically be in this Windows, you but by change you do not have the option and you cannot access in at the moment. That we are going to do is press again Windows, and we are going to search for the word run or execute and open this application. We can see in this form, and you write local app data and accept, and we can see the carpet of the application. Select with a click right and eliminate. It's very quick and simple. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to visit us here at 10 years for a new video.